Unlocking the secrets of navigation locks. What are the top 5 things to know about how navigation locks work? Seriously, take a second and think about it. These things are feats of engineering that are absolutely essential to how we move goods around the world, but most people probably don't even know they exist. Comment below that like button if you think you know. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of navigation locks. We'll uncover their inner workings, explore their fascinating history, and understand why they are so important to our world. Get ready to have your minds blown as we unlock the secrets of these engineering marvels. Imagine a giant elevator for boats. That's essentially what a navigation lock is. They're these ingenious structures built into canals and rivers that allow boats to travel up or down hills. See, rivers aren't always flat. Sometimes they have dams or natural changes in elevation that make it impossible for boats to pass. That's where locks come in. They're like these big chambers with giant gates on each end. Boats enter the chamber. The gates close behind them, and then get this, the water level inside the chamber actually changes to match the water level on the other side of the gate. It's like magic, but instead of magic, it's science and engineering, which is way cooler than magic if you ask me. Okay, so picture this. A boat wants to go uphill on a canal. It enters the lock chamber through the lower gate. Once the boat is safely inside, the gate closes tightly behind it. Now here comes the cool part. Valves in the lock's walls open up, allowing water from the higher elevation to flow into the chamber. As the water level rises, so does the boat. It's like filling up a bathtub, but instead of a rubber ducky, you have a giant cargo ship. Once the water level inside the lock matches the higher level, the upper gate opens up, and voila! The boat can now sail out, onward to its destination. Going downhill works the same way, but in reverse. They drain the water out and lower the boat down. Chapter 3: History of Navigation Locks. Believe it or not, navigation locks have been around for centuries. The ancient Chinese were some of the first to build canal locks, using them on the Grand Canal as far back as the 5th century. Over in Europe, the invention of the mitre gate, which is that angled gate design that creates a watertight seal, in the 15th century revolutionized canal building. This led to the creation of extensive canal systems throughout Europe. And of course, here in North America, locks have played a crucial role in connecting the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean, opening up trade and transportation routes. Chapter 4: Types of navigation locks. Just like there are different types of cars for different purposes, there are different types of navigation locks. Some locks, like the Panama Canal, use a system of multiple chambers to raise and lower ships over really long distances. Other locks are designed for smaller boats and might only have a single chamber. And then there are some really unique locks, like the Falkirk wheel in Scotland, which is a rotating boat lift that's like a Ferris wheel for boats. No matter the design, all locks serve the same fundamental purpose: to help boats conquer elevation changes and keep our waterways connected. Chapter 5: Importance of navigation locks. Navigation locks are the unsung heroes of global trade and transportation. Think about all the things we rely on that are transported by water, food, fuel, clothes, building materials. The list goes on and on. Without locks, transporting these goods would be incredibly difficult and expensive. Locks allow us to move goods efficiently across vast distances, connecting communities and supporting economies all over the world. So the next time you see a lock, take a moment to appreciate these engineering marvels and the vital role they play in our interconnected world. That's a wrap. So there you have it, folks. The ins and outs of navigation locks. From their fascinating history to their crucial role in our modern world, locks are a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to overcome challenges. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing structures as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. Be sure to check out the description for more information and links to some cool videos of locks in action. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more content.